So today I'm going to be rebuilding a vise. Well, not this one. This one. This is a real junkyard dog. The vise itself cost me nothing. It has, it's a 5-inch vise. I've looked up some details. It's a record body, main vise, now made by Irwin. But this particular one is made by Record, and it's made in Australia. So this is an older vise. I think it's a fairly good quality cast body. But the jaw itself, the moving jaw, is a Dawn, which is also made in Australia. They're both 5-inch. Now I can see the Record there was new one, made in China now. They're $254 something US. The Dawn vise, however, is a different animal. This is what's available today. In Australia, that's Australian dollars, $429. And it's essentially, you can tell it's identical. I don't know how old the body is on this. So far, my only investment are the jaws, because if you look, the jaws don't match. I'll have to do some work on this because this is lower, and what I've got to do is cut this down and put in a different jaw and get these all to line up. Well, that's not too bad for $19. Yeah, I can have a fairly decent 5-inch vise. It's worth the effort. So today I'm just going to disassemble it, see what we got. Here's the jaws, by the way. Got them from Amazon. And these are 6-inch. This is a 5-inch vise. I'll have to just make them work. Came with some bolts, but I don't know if I'll be using those. So the first thing is, does it come apart? What's happening back here, it's got a nut back here. It has a nut back here that's not fixed. This little dovetail here is part of the nut, and that is free to move because it's meant to be kept in place by a bolt here. Well, so what I have to do is just kind of work this thing apart. It's amazing that these two vices were made so similarly that they fit together like this. It's not in too bad a shape. Didn't have any play on it when I was moving the threaded part. So I think this is in good shape. Just give it a clean up. Oh, look at that. It's just got a nail here or something. Just a nail holding it together. Appears to be in good shape. There's really nothing cracked or broken on it. It's got some writing on it, I don't know. 125 millimeters, 5-inch. There's nothing wrong with this thing other than the parts don't match. got to have a little bolt right there, holds it together. I guess. I'll fix that later. Okay, so I've got this sliding in and out. It's clean, more or less. The next problem is I've got to get this misalignment fixed. These jaws have a bevel on one corner, right here. And that's where it goes into this little slot right here. Anyways, that's how they match up at the moment. What I've got to do is get this jaw lower by about, that's about 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to do that with a hacksaw. I'm going to cut a slot down here and then over and drop it 1/4 of an inch. See how we go. And there you have it. I've got a Dawn Record Irwin vise, and yeah, it works okay. It's going to be a good 5-inch heavy-duty vise, and it cost $20 with some work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.